First this evening, chaos inside Gordon House this afternoon as government and opposition members clashed during debate on a bill to amend the Banking Services Act.
Opposition member Jackson accused the government of delaying the bill to the detriment of those who put their money in banks and other deposit-taking institutions.
TVJ's Andrea Chisholm was at today's sitting of the House of Representatives and joins us live. Andrea?
Thank you very much, Archibald and Doreen. Well, for about 6 years, opposition member of Parliament Jackson has been on a mission to make changes to the Banking Services Act. Changes to protect the money that you, me and others put in banks and other deposit-taking institutions. Well, today there was a delay in the passage of the bill, and let's take a look at what happened. Another sitting of the lower house, an equally passionate Jackson, relating the story of a man who decided to sell a cow and put the money in the bank, hoping to use that money to bury his mother in the event of her untimely passing. Years after, he sold another cow.
Went to the bank to deposit the sale from that calf, only to find out that the money that he deposited from the sale of the cow from the first cow has been eroded by the fees charged by the bank.
So Mr. Jackson wants the law to be changed to protect the money people put in financial institutions. For example, he doesn't want them to charge a fee for changing checks, and financial institutions should use simple language for customers to understand. After years of championing the legislation, Mr. Jackson accused the Office of the Attorney General of not responding to the bill. Attorney General Marlene Malahoo Fort countered, arguing that the Solicitor General responded and a policy document should have accompanied the bill.
It is not correct to say what the member has said, and whether it wants to be accepted or not. There are processes that must be followed.
What the member relates to is what the norm is. This is an exception, but provided for by the standing order.
But as the debate continued, it became clear that the government had other plans. Agriculture Minister Carl Samuda read a letter from the Bank of Jamaica stating that a framework is progressing to protect consumers' money in deposit-taking institutions.
And the legal arrangements for their achievement is being prepared for your consideration, and with your guidance, presentation to Cabinet by June 2018.
But opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips said that would take too long, probably years, and urged members to support the bill now before the House.
The pensioners are going to find their savings disappear. The fee structure is going to continue to take away poor people's savings. You want to delay it for people to suffer some more. Mr. Speaker, no wonder Bob said, city hypocrite, them are going there.
Then came this.
Mr. Speaker, I'm asking for the suspension of the debate and
Mr. Speaker, I am protesting any suspension of this bill. Mr. Speaker, on a matter of principle, Mr. Speaker, as the opposition leader indicated, the member gave the undertaking last week that the bill is going to be taken through all its stages
today.
Who gave
the undertaking?
That's the undertaking he gave this week. I agreed to stand down the debate last week because he gave.
In the end, there was a divide. Government members supported the motion, opposition members disagreed. 30 members said yes, 21 said no, and 10 members were absent. And after all that drama, Acting House Leader Everard Warmington gave a commitment that the bill will be taken through all its stages when the House meets next week. Archibald Doreen, it's back to you.
Thank you very much.